B is for
Butterfly.
butterfly. C is for
Dog. Cat.
cat. D is for
Doggy.
doggy. E is for
Oven.
elephant. F is for, what's this?
Migo.
Yeah, flamingo. All right, G is for giraffe. H is for
Hedgehog.
hedgehog. I is for iguana.
Panga.
I don't know if we've done that one before.
No.
No. All right, J. Do you know this one? Jellyfish. Jellyfish. All right, do you know this one? K is for koala bear.
Bubble bear.
Okay, not bubble. Koala bear. All right, L is for
Money.
lion. M is for
Monkey.
N. N is for
Monkey.
that one's called a narwhal.
No more.
Yeah. O is for
Owl.
owl. P is for P is for
Himi.
penguin.
Hebe.
P is for penguin. All right. Q is for quail.
Peggle. Hill.
Quail. R is for, what's that?
Bunny.
Bunny or rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. S, do you know this one? It's a sloth.
Yuff.
T is for turtle. U is for horsey, or how about a unicorn?
Cocker.
Unicorn. V is for vulture.
Butcher.
Yeah. Do you know this one? W for, do you know this one?
No.
No, it's a walrus.
Roses.
Walrus. All right, X, fox, ends in X. Fox.
Fox.
How about this one?
Cow.
Cow. Yeah, it's a special kind of cow called a yak.
It.
And then